Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and I gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Ready, we ready, and I gone, we gone. We a plant sweet pepper, we a plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, 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 ready like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers up, gone abroad. We a move from bud to bud. Banana start to ripe, a time we get good. Jamaican farmers. Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and I gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright, if you're new here, my name is Everton, and at this time, we're looking at some cabbage. Yeah, plant recently, but there is not enough rainfall for them to looking beautiful as how them supposed to look. Alright, so as you can see in the background, all here is cabbage. Alright, my viewers. So yes, my viewers, don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to my channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to click the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Yeah man, at this time we're taking a look on some cabbage here. So in a short while I'm gonna show you what's going on with the cabbage. Alright? Stay tuned on the channel. Don't move. Soon forward. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, cabbage. Yeah. All those little green thing there, cabbage. Yeah. Looking very nice. You know, cabbage don't love that whole heap of water, but them need a little more rainfall, you know? Yeah. And the sunshine, and them good. Alright, my viewers? Yeah, man. On the farm here, you know? Check it out. See what's going on with this cabbage. Yeah. They're looking very wonderful. Yeah. As you can see, my viewers, cabbage lately plant. Just need some sunshine and some rainfall. A little rainfall and they're good to go. Alright. Yeah. As you can see, cabbage growing very nice, catching up very nicely. Alright. I'm going across the greenhouse to show you what's going on inside the greenhouse also. Yeah. Alright, there's some sweet pepper over there. Started to blossom. Alright, so I'm gonna go there to show you guys what's going on. Alright. So don't move, there's a lot more to come. Yes, my viewers, look at this callaloo here. Yeah, this callaloo is the bush callaloo, you know, the best callaloo of all time. Yeah. As you can see, there is no worm eating it. Alright, because this is the organic callaloo. Alright, grow by nature. You know, the bird eat the seed, then fly around and then drop it. Alright, yeah, the seed grow again. Yeah man, this is all natural callaloo. The most powerful callaloo in history. Alright, as you can see, I have a lot more here. Yeah, I have a lot more here. All these here are some young callaloo, natural callaloo, organic callaloo. As you can see, them start to shed seed before the time. Alright, so my viewers, stick around, there's a lot more to come. Yeah, we are trying to put about this greenhouse here. This one was down by the breeze and the hard rain the other day, so we putting it up back. Make sure everything is up and running. But this part of greenhouse here, supposed to plant some tomato inside here. All right, so but over here, as you can see, my viewers, way ahead, sweet pepper. I'm going inside very shortly to show you what's going on. All right. Yes, my viewers, just popping out of the 3 weeks. Yeah, just popping out of the 3 weeks, sweet pepper. Yeah, as you can see, more blossom. All right, so just trying to give you guys information on this sweet pepper. Yeah, so by growing, I will always do a video to let you guys know what is going on. Yeah, on these sweet pepper, bell pepper here. All right. Yes, my viewers, looking very lovely inside here. Yeah, looking very lovely. All those pepper sucker that was planted 3 weeks back, very small. Yeah, yes, my viewers.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.